What's up, nerds? Drop another video on Stock Doc. Sorry, it's been a couple weeks, been super busy. Um, as you have noticed, probably over the past couple months, been rough for small biotech. Has nothing to do with our companies or their valuations. Has to do a lot with some big money movements from some of the higher priced, overvalued big tech and into some undervalued sectors, particularly energy, banking, credit cards, etc. Um, I've been paying absolutely no mind to it. I've viewed this past month as a golden buying opportunity, similar to March of 2020 and October, November 2020. Just unbelievable prices, valuations that don't make any sense. I've bought the dip and turned my finances upside down to buy as many of these companies as I can. So I've been undeterred. Um, when you see every single stock in your portfolio, as I have, dropping, nobody could be that bad. So big, broader market sentiment and movements affecting our little companies, and many of them have rebounded quickly. So far, 3 of my 13 holdings have made a complete and full recovery from the big tech sell-off. One of them is Beyond Air, ticker XAIR. Haven't made a video on this, so I wanted to drop one. Really think this is a very promising company. So looking at 614 stock price, and as I always try to emphasize, stock price is not what's important. What's important is the market cap. So don't be distracted by the price of the stock. Look at what the valuation of the company is. So 1/8 of $1 billion, which is a small micro cap company, and they've got a lot of promise. So what is this company doing? They have basically a machine that creates nitric oxide from ambient air, and they're studying that technology in multiple indications. Lung infections, including COVID, mycobacterial infections, pulmonary hypertension, um, premature neonatal lung disease. You can see they're getting grants for cystic fibrosis. A big selling point for me as a physician, we scroll back through the PR, we'll see that they presented at CHEST annual meeting. This is major leagues right here. This is not some minor investor conference. CHEST is the most important pulmonary medicine journal and conference essentially in existence. This is real medicine. This is serious stuff. So a friend showed me this and said you really ought to look into this. And just as the rest of our stocks that we pick, it has had essentially since I first bought it a couple months ago a price to fair value ratio of less than 0.7, and they're just pursuing so many indications. Just very promising technology. What's the main philosophy of this company? Well, nitric oxide is a vasodilator. Um, so it's going to dilate blood vessels, improve oxygenation, improve hypoxia, and certain infections thrive in a hypoxic environment. Certain cancers thrive in a hypoxic environment, and they have some preclinical studies looking at nitric oxide as an adjunct to cancer therapy, pulmonary hypertension, unnecessary vasoconstriction, and high blood pressure within the lungs. One of the single most expensive diseases. Actually, when I was in residency, just maybe 5, 6 years ago, pulmonary hypertension was the #1 most expensive diagnosis. So they've got some very promising clinical and preclinical data in all these diseases. To me, they just have too many shots on goal that I think failure is a realistic probability. You think about a hockey player like Jaromir Jagr or Wayne Gretzky, and you give them enough shots, they're going to put one on net and in the back of the net. And that's how I view this company. I think there's too many opportunities for success. too cool of technology, and I just don't see them failing. And to have that probability of success for a company that has $250 million market cap, to me, again, you'll notice I'm bullish. I'm an optimist, but this valuation is just it's not going to last long. And you can see it even has a 52-week high of $10.45. I'm looking to hold this company till it gets to a billion or $2 billion valuation. So 8 or 16 fold minus dilution. I think this is a wonderful long-term hold and something that I'm not trying to swing this. I'm just trying to add it when able and keep accumulating shares. And very confident that sometime in the next year or two we'll see a big move. All right, I'm in Cabo and on vacation, but doing a lot of work. So my promise to Steven, our producer, I'll make a video every day. For any day I don't make a video, I owe Steven 1 share of POAI, which is the Stock Doc favorite, and I don't want to give those up. So expect a video at least once a day from Cabo. Everybody have a great day. Futures are up. NASDAQ is ahead of the Dow, so I'm expecting this is going to be a great week. All right, everybody, take care. Enjoy your stimulus. Uh, have a great day.